guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So today for you I have a fun new nail art video. I recently reviewed the Londontown Vacay Mode collection, and something about it really reminded me of Greece inspired things, so that is what I'm showing you, some Greece inspired floral nail art, because after looking up tons of pictures of Greece online I had so many different ideas. So here is one, and you can see one more on the blog today, which will be linked in the description box below. In the meantime, let's check out these. First off, to start off this manicure, you want to just go in with one of your favorite whites and put that on all of your nails. Then after that is dry, as you can see here, I am adding in Summer Fling on the corners of my nails. You don't have to worry about these lines being super precise, because I'm going to show you how you go and like straighten them up with acrylic paint. And now I'm going to do just that. I've grabbed my Mitty Candy 00 brush, which I recently got and I'm really liking. And here I'm just taking some white acrylic paint and straightening up the lines, making sure there aren't any weird kinky bits, which is the great thing about having the white base as the base for this nail art, is because you can easily go in and fix any wonky lines with white acrylic paint, because whenever you put on top coat, you aren't going to be able to even tell that you fixed that, if that makes sense. It's great. And after that, I'm going to go grab some cobalt blue and just put some like little pinstripe lines in the same direction of the pink corners. And again, if there are any little wobbles or mess ups in the lines, you can just go in with that white paint and fix it all up. And next up, you were just going to go in with that blue paint again and follow the line and put like little lines coming out from the line, if that makes sense. Hopefully you guys can see that and understand what I mean. Now that I have done that on all of my nails, I'm going to take my smallest dotting tool that I have and skip every other space and put a dot of the same blue color, just to give it a little something extra and give it more design. Now we're moving on to the green step, which will end up being our floral part. So I'm going in with my darkest green polish that I have, which is like a Christmas tree green. I believe it's called Evergreen. I'm not positive, but just whatever green acrylic paint you have will work. And I'm just going to dot it sporadically all over the white spaces and kind of make it come down in like little plumes, which will be your like hanging flower sections. And I'm going to repeat that step on all of my nails, and then I'm going to come back in with my lighter shade of green and kind of go on top and overlap in a few sections, just to give the green that is going to be our leaves more depth and just add a little something something. It definitely gives it a lot more dimension, which I think is great for this look, because it is actually pretty simple when you break it down like this for the video. Now, after cleaning off that dotting tool, I'm using the same one and I am going to dot in the pink shades. First up, I'm going to start with the Summer Fling color, which is the same pink that I used in the corners of my nails. And I'm just going to dot that sporadically all over the green, just to make it look like the flowers. Now I'm going to go in with another shade of pink. This one is going to be Guilty Pleasure, and just kind of go on top of it and give it, again, more dimension. The more the layers of the pink you have, the better the flowers are going to come out, in my opinion. Now, after you are done with that, you could be done. You could put on top coat and be happy. However, if you want to take it a step further, you can go in with that same nail art brush that I used earlier and just put some white little lines in the flowers to give them more shape. And I'm just using the white acrylic paint that we used earlier just to help give it all a more finished look. And again, you could be done there, but if you want to go in and add a little more, I'm going in with that same blue acrylic paint and just putting some little dash lines above the little lines we have coming up from the blue, just to fill in the little white space and make it even more Greece inspired whenever they have all their cobalt blue and everything. Now just apply your favorite top coat and you are good to go. You definitely want to make sure you don't use one that is going to smear your nail art, because that is the worst feeling, spending all that time on something really fun and then putting on your top coat and messing it all up. I would highly suggest Ciche Viet if you were looking for a good one that doesn't smear, which is what I just used here. Now here is a closer look at the final manicure. I really enjoyed doing this. I wasn't actually like looking at anything specific. I was just kind of looking at pictures of in general, where they have all their flowers over there. And actually, after spending a lot of time in Tarpon Springs, which is a Greek inspired area in Florida, I've seen a lot of the blue patterns, and I just thought it would be fun to kind of figure out how to put that on my nails. So again, here is your final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this manicure. I really enjoyed creating it. If you guys like more videos like this where it's just see it as it happens, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos and check out the last ones if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it. Bye!